here at ODL, I've been able to develop an interest in manufacturing. We have a great atmosphere here and access to some of the best technology and minds in the industry, and it just makes every day a continued collaboration to develop a greater product for the doctor and then ultimately down the line for the patient in the chair. Having grown up in Buffalo, New York, I believe that it would be necessary to move to another part of the country to even be a part of the 3D printing industry. But to my surprise, actually, there was a great resurgence in technology and manufacturing right now in Western New York. Manufacturing is changing, and because of that, we welcome change by continuously optimizing and rethinking processes. With our lean manufacturing mindset, it's easy to cultivate innovation in an ever-evolving orthodontic industry.